Makes for a nice wake-up call when you get this view on one side of the van and this view on the other.
Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are on the off-ramp, camping and exploring in our leisure travel van.
Join us today as we travel around Banff National Park, hiking and sightseeing from Tujac Lake to Johnston Canyon and beyond.
An early morning breakfast of omelets and bacon.
Right, we're at Tujac Lake in the Banff National Park here in Canada, and we are loving the day. It was supposed to be a rainy, cloudy day, and we're doing the scenic tour from Tujac Lake to Minnewanka Lake. Basically, it's a nice drive that'll take about an hour if you just drove it, but with all the stops, we plan to spend the day taking a look around, grabbing some snacks out of our van, and keeping on driving and enjoying the beautiful mountain air. And what a beautiful day for September, hey? This is amazing. The September weekend. Campgrounds, a lot of them were marked full. Wade's heading off to the shoreline to take a picture of a stump sticking out of the water. And he took a picture of that stump one winter when we were here, and it's sticking out of the ice. And so now it's going to be a recreation when there's no ice, but create their scenes. Don't you wish you were here with us? I wish a lot of you were here with us today. Wow. so beautiful. I don't know if you can see how clear the water is. You can see all the stones. Of course, the water gives this gorgeous turquoisey kind of green blue color. Lots of kayaks are setting out, or people in kayaks, I should say, are setting out to venture on these beautiful waters. Beautiful day for that. Here we are at Lake Minnewanka, and it clearly is a more developed area as there's lots of places for boats and tour boats, and a hike that would take you to the Cascade River and to the smooth walls of the Stewart Canyon, it says. So this is the boat launch area. September weekend, this place is pretty busy. Lots of visitors, lots of people walking around on the trail and the rocks and just enjoying the beautiful view and the calm lake. Those blue skies are disappearing and we're about to get some rain clouds.
Well, here we go. Our first hike at Johnston Canyon. I think we're going to do the lower falls one, not the mud. What are the mud puppies called? The mud holes or whatever.
Mud pots.
Mud pots. There we go.
But aren't there two levels of the canyon?
Yeah.
Two falls. So
Yeah, there's two sets of falls. Yeah.
Let's see how I last on these stairs.
Ink pots. That's what they're called. Ink pots. There's upper falls and lower falls. Beautiful mountain waters. No. Yeah, temperature is comfortable. One tree in the middle of the path. Okay, so I'm here at Castle Rock. Got my bear spray in my pocket. Let's see what the sign says. Please shut gate. Keep animals off the road. Okay, that we can do.
So along with zillions of other people, traffic like crazy that had to reroute us right through the Lake Louise parking lot because it is nuts. Apparently there's some kind of major hike going on this week or today. And so we got stuck in a bit of traffic to get to Moraine Lake.
There's somebody with a red backpack way up there. Do you want to?
Where do you see that?
They walk down that.
Well, knowing the shape of my foot and ankle are in this week, I'm thinking, sure, why not?
All these little alpine purple flowers.
I know, these are flowers that we are finding on our Manitoba hikes as well. So pretty. We're slowly starting to see changes of color as well. Not sure if that's just because it's been such a dry summer, but it is September, and so color changes are part of the beauty of fall. If you know anything about this area, you'll know that we're looking at Moraine Lake. Those turquoise colors are unmistakable.
Thanks again for joining us on our adventure through Banff National Park.
The Tunnel Mountain Campground was nicely situated for our excursions, but just remember there's not much for privacy. Also, the campgrounds were full during the weekends of our mid-September trip, so ensure you have reservations.
There are plenty of activities and scenic drives that you can take, so do your research and plan your trip. Banff is a busy community, so parking is at a premium, and you will most likely need to do quite a bit of walking.
If you have any questions about what we did and what we saw, please leave a comment in the comment section below the video, and we will try to help you out.
And also, please take the time to subscribe to our channel and leave any comments or suggestions in the comment section. It will help our channel grow.
We are planning on heading to Lake Country, BC this week and look forward to visiting dear friends who fled Manitoba. We can hardly wait to see what they have in store for us.
Until next week, remember, plans can change in an instant, so make sure you
Hold your plans loosely.